When it comes to rat rod drag racing, suspension isn't just about ride comfort. It's the hidden weapon that can make or break a run down the strip. While rat rods celebrate raw DIY creativity, smart builders know that suspension setups are crucial for harnessing power and keeping control. The right suspension maximizes traction, helping those big rear tires grip the pavement hard at launch. Leaf springs, coilovers, or even repurposed truck parts get pressed into service, each changing how weight transfers during acceleration. Too stiff and the tires spin, too soft and you lose stability. Many rat rod racers use adjustable shocks salvaged from junkyards, allowing them to fine-tune rebound and compression for different track conditions. Creative solutions like ladder bars or four-link rear ends help channel torque without twisting the frame. Even front suspension matters. Solid axles or dropped beams can lower stance and improve aerodynamics. Ultimately, a well-tuned suspension lets rat rods put all their homemade horsepower to the ground, proving that innovation and ingenuity are just as critical as raw speed.